8 divided by 8 gives us 1. And again, 8 divided by 8 gives us 1. And 1 divided by 1 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct because we didn't follow the right order when we are solving the equation. So when we have these kinds of problem where there are similar arithmetics, in this case division, we are going to solve the equation left to right, right? Left to right. So what we are going to do is we are going to divide 8 by 8, which gives us 1, and it's going to be 1 divided by 8, and then the whole thing is going to be divided by 8 once again. So 1 divided by 8 is 1 over 8, right? So we can rewrite the equation like this, and 1 divided by 8 is going to be again divided by 8, right? So that is what we are going to do, and that is how we are going to find the correct answer. But as you can see here, we have a fraction and a division that seems too scary for us. But we wouldn't worry because we are going to solve this correctly. So we are going to use the KCF formula. So K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So basically what we are going to do is keep the first thing, the first here, the 1 over 8, and we are going to change the division into multiplication, right? So this is going to be multiplication, and we are going to flip 8. So instead of 8, what we are going to do is 1 over 8. So 1 over 8 times 1 over 8 is going to be the next equation, and this comes 1 times 1 is just 1, and 8 times 8 is 64. So this is going to be the final answer, and this is the way to put the thing in. The correct answer for this question is 1 over 64.